Hello, welcome to our new video.
Hello.
In this video, we will cover section 3.2 of the standard for project management, which is create a collaborative project team environment.
Yes,
What is important about this principle, Mr. Izgi?
as we see on the screen, project teams are made up of individuals who wield diverse skills, knowledge, and experience. Project teams that work collaboratively can accomplish a shared objective more effectively and efficiently than individuals working on their own. Projects are delivered by project teams. Project teams work within organizational and professional cultures and guidelines, often establishing their own local culture. A collaborative project team environment facilitates alignment with other organizational cultures and guidelines, individual and team learning and development, and optimal contributions to deliver desired outcomes.
Projects are delivered by project teams. This is the first item in our figure. Creating a collaborative project team environment involves multiple contributing factors. Fine. What are the most important ones?
They are team agreements, organizational structures, and processes, three of them. These factors support a culture that enables individuals to work together and provide synergistic effects from interactions.
Can you explain the first one, which is team agreements?
Team agreements are a set of behavioral parameters and working norms. They should be established by the project team. They should be upheld through individual and project team commitment. The team agreements are created at the beginning of a project. They will evolve over time as the project team continues to work together and identify norms and behaviors that are necessary in order to work together successfully.
Okay. What are the organizational structures, which is the second item?
Organizational structures are any arrangement or relation between the elements of project work and organizational processes. These structures can be based on roles, functions, or authority.
Can you give examples?
Sure. For example, definitions of roles and responsibilities. Other examples can be allocation of employees and vendors into project teams, formal committees tasked with a specific objective, standing meetings that regularly review a given topic.
Okay. What are the processes, which is the third item?
Project teams define processes that enable completion of tasks and work assignments.
Project teams work within organizational and professional cultures and guidelines, often establishing their own local culture. This is the second item of the figure. Can you give more information about that?
Project teams are influenced by the culture of the organizations involved in the project, the nature of the project, and the environment in which they operate. Within these influences, project teams establish their own team cultures. Project teams can tailor their structure to best accomplish the project objective. Clarity on roles and responsibilities can improve team cultures.
Okay. Within the project teams, specific tasks may be delegated to individuals or selected by project team members themselves. What does this include?
It includes authority, accountability, and responsibility related to tasks. What is authority? It is the condition of having the right within a given context to make relevant decisions, establish or improve procedures, apply project resources, expend funds, or give approvals. Authority is conferred from one entity to another whether done explicitly or implicitly. What is accountability? It is the condition of being answerable for an outcome. Accountability is not shared. What is responsibility? It is the condition of being obligated to do or fulfill something. Responsibility can be shared. But do not forget that regardless of who is accountable or responsible for specific project work, a collaborative project team takes collective ownership of the project outcomes.
Another aspect of collaborative project team environment is the incorporation of practice standards, ethical codes, and other guidelines that are part of the professional work within the project team and the organization. What would we see as a positive outcome?
A collaborative project team environment fosters the free exchange of information and individual knowledge. This, in turn, increases shared learning and individual development while delivering outcomes. A collaborative project team environment enables everyone to contribute their best efforts to deliver the desired outcomes for an organization. The organization, in turn, will benefit from deliverables and outcomes that respect and enhance its fundamental values, principles, and culture.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Izgi. We have reached the end of this video. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. You can support us from our Patreon page. Feel free to attend our Udemy course by clicking the link shown in the description section. We will be glad if you write your comments below our videos. Also, feel free to ask any questions you might have. Contact us using our email addresses if you are interested in our courses. Goodbye.
Bye bye.